Hello, welcome back to Gritty Potato. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my own kombucha bubble tea. So instead of spending $5 on that small cup of bubble tea, I've decided that I'm going to make my own using my kombucha with some simple toppings that I can get easily from NTUC. So today I'll be using aloe vera as the topping. First up, what I do is I'm going to open the can and then I'm going to drain out the water inside. There is actually added honey in the aloe vera, which is something that I don't really mind, but I actually find it a bit too sweet. So you can go ahead and rinse it out if you like to do so. As simple as that, just put in the aloe vera topping and then pour in your kombucha, and there you have your very own healthy version and a lot cheaper kombucha bubble tea. By the way, it is super yummy. So now I would like to give you some tips and tricks on kombucha brewing because I've been brewing it for over a year now, and I have some effective ways to reduce labor when brewing your own kombucha. So for starters, I'm using loose black tea that I got from Source Bulk Foods SG, and then I will use this coffee filter to portion out the amount of tea leaves I need for each brew. Remember to keep the tea leaves dry and then in a tight glass container. Then the next tip that I have is for the second fermentation. So normally on the second fermentation, what we do is we will add in fruits. It can be frozen fruits or fresh fruits. For me, I'm super lazy. Then I decided to just use this canned coconut drink as my second fermentation. Trust me, this is super good and very cheap. I will just pour in the coconut juice and then mix my kombucha inside, and that is as simple as it can get. Super yummy coconut flavored kombucha. So because I'm also very lazy to keep washing the brewing vessel, I will leave some of the starter kombucha and then the SCOBY inside the big bottle, and then just brew a new batch of sweet tea and just pour it into the bottle and call it a day. This is how I do my continuous brewing without even having to purchase new glass bottles with the attachable tap that most people use for continuous brewing. And also another small tip I have here is when you are preparing your sweet tea, if the tea is not cooling down fast enough, you can actually put it in an ice water basin so that the temperature can drop faster. So in no time, the sweet tea is ready to be fermented for my next batch. Give it a stir to make sure that all the sugar has been dissolved, and then pour it into your brewing vessel. Cover it with a cloth and rubber band, and that is it! We are done here! So this is me just enjoying my kombucha bubble tea when I'm doing my work. Please give this video a like if it has helped your brewing journey. So once again, thank you for watching. Bye bye!